Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel. So in this video, I will let to show you the way how to duplicate an object from your video with a CapCut application. So here I already have this video and I would like to duplicate the person on this video so that they will have the mirror type or the mirror version of her. So to do that, you just need to go click the clip, and we need to make this clip become an overlay clip. But before we make it become overlay, we need to duplicate this clip first. Take a look on this bottom side, slide into the left side, and just find the duplicate tools. Right after that, you just need to go click the duplicates and make them become overlay, and then you just need to drag this overlay clip to be right in the same position with the original video. The next thing you need to do is just go click the overlay clip, and we need to find the remove PG, and then you just need to go click this remove PG right after you found it, and then you just need to go click auto removal and wait until the system remove the background for the overlay clip. It will take several times. It's just depending to the duration that you have for the clip. So the longer the video, it's also take the longer time to remove the background. Okay, it's almost there. We need to wait a little bit more. Almost. And it's perfect. It's removed. So I just need to go click this checklist button. The next thing we need to do is you just need to go back and you just need to take a look on this part again. And then you just need to slide into the left side until you found this transform tool, and then you just need to go click it, and then you just need to go click this mirror. And now you can also place the position of the duplicate object here to be more to the left, and here is the result. So that is the way, guys, how to duplicate an object with a CapCut. Hopefully today's tutorial is useful for you. Thank you for watching, and I would like to see you for the next tutorial.